Good day viewers, welcome to the channel once again. In today's video we are going to talk about how to create a CV or a resume. We all know that when you're looking for a job or a post somewhere, CV or a resume is very important. So we are going to take a look at how you can create one. There are a lot of ways you can create a CV or a resume, and one of them is to use a template, a CV or a resume template which is already created, and then you edit it and coin it into your own CV or resume. Then the second one is to create a CV from scratch. You can use a word processing software like Microsoft Word, Canva, and other softwares. Then you create your CV or a resume from scratch. Before we create a CV or a resume, we're going to discuss these two terms. Let's discuss a little bit about these terms, a CV and a resume. The terms CV and resume are used interchangeably. Some people say CV and resume are all the same, while others say CV and resume are not the same. According to this website, Novo Resume, a resume and a CV are all the same. The only difference is from the name. Americans call it a resume, while the Europeans call it a CV. In the other hand, some people say a resume is different from a CV. A CV to others is more lengthy and it's not limited to a number of pages. It's mostly used in academic and research fields. The resume is used for general application. A CV tells you more detailed information about an employee, while a resume is more brief and short. A CV contains your publication, your education, your courses, certificate, your languages, and ends with a reference. While in the other hand, a resume contains your full name, your job title, work experience, relevant skills, languages, and supporting certificate with no reference. If you have any suggestion, you can keep it in the comment box below. So let's begin. To create a resume or a CV, we'll go to Google and use the search term CV template Microsoft, and once it's loaded, we are going to choose the first search result with the heading free resume template, and once you click it, it will display a list of resume and CVs template. Then you select any one of your choice. After selecting, you will have two options. You can either edit it using Microsoft Word 365, or you download it and then edit it in your Microsoft Word. And here you have your CV ready. The second way to create a CV or a resume is to write it from scratch. And to do that, you can use softwares like Microsoft Word, you can use Canva and other tools. So here we're going to use Canva. So you go to your browser and then use the search term CV Builder Canva. Once it loads, then you scroll down to where we have free online resume builder, or you select free CV maker. Then next you simply sign up, or you log into your account, and then it will display a page like this, and then you can start writing your CV. You can also use the template aside as a guide. Here are some samples. After that, then you save and you get your CV downloaded. Nowadays there are a lot of softwares that are used in building your CV. I'm going to keep the list below in the description. I will also keep a link for CV template, and what you need to do is just edit the template and make it yours. In case you don't want to use Canva, in the next video I'm going to show you how you can use your Microsoft Word to create a CV or a resume. Thank you. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more.